go with a small video, you guys. Welcome to my channel with Lupita Aide. Today we have a small tiny video just showing you guys, or maybe it's a sign for you to buy an Erin Condren planner. You guys, I ordered this planner a while ago because I noticed that August is the last month I have in my planner. So for September I was gonna need another one. So here we go. This is Erin Condren. Usually I go and get it in person, but I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and order it. And so here we are. I don't remember exactly what I ordered because I ordered it a while ago, guys, and I received it a while ago. But August is around the corner, and I make my own stickers, so I want to see if it's the same measurements and all of that. Okay, so stop, stick, and celebrate the little things. Surprise, we've included a free set of functional sticky notes in your order because the smallest things can have the biggest impact. We're so glad you are here. The Erin Condren team. Alright, so I'm guessing it's these. Very cute. I have a lot of stuff of Erin Condren, you guys. When I first started being an Erin Condren girl, I went crazy and I would buy their surprise boxes, and I never used any of it because I do my own stuff and I don't use much. Okay, so this is nice. It's half a circle, so half of it lifts up and then you have a complete circle. It's cute. Okay, so this is the center of attention. This baby right here. There you go. So it comes with the ruler. All the time they send their planners, or their planners always come with the ruler, so I never use them, but sometimes I want to, like the squares and stuff, like for to-do lists. So here we go. I decided to go for, okay, that's better. I decided to go for this color, and it says, okay, let's do this. Simple. I don't even remember if I got floral or neutral. So monthly planner. By the way, it is a monthly planner, not a daily. It's a monthly planner. Okay, I guess I got the floral. I always get neutrals. Why? Okay. So grow slow, grow steady. And then here is, so you can plan all of your month to month. I don't know. Some people like to put January, February, March, April, May. Yeah, so vacations planned, birthdays, anything, layout of 2027, 2026 for you to put some notes. And okay, so it starts from September to August. Okay, baby is watching some TV while I finish this video. So here we go, we have September. I like the colors, you guys, and then I like that it doesn't have a lot here that it needs to be covered. I do use stickers to decorate my planner, so I do cover this. I cover the numbers and stuff. So if you have an old planner that it's outdated, that is from 2020, 2024 or whatever, and you think you can reuse it by covering the numbers, let's say the 1 starts here, you can always use stickers, you guys, to reuse your planners. That's what I do sometimes, especially with my happy planners. I do that. Here's your dashboard, and it gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blank pages in between so that you can plan. I use it for my paycheck to paycheck, monthly budget, probably notes. You can use it for journaling. You can use it for anything, you guys. Here it is, October. Yeah, so this is what I like, that I don't have to cover a lot. If you don't use stickers, you can get the other one, which it has way more decorations over here. November, let thankfulness be a season, not a single day. So every month, same thing, you get your calendar and your 5 sheets. Wrap the year with grace and threads of reflection. December, there. So we have all of our months. Okay, sometimes I get the impulse of wanting to get the daily, but I don't use it, guys. At the end of the day, I get it only when I'm like selling stickers, but I haven't been selling lately, so I'm not gonna get it. And then at the end, you have your 2028, because this one is going to go from 2026 to 2027. And here's 2028, January to December. And you have, that's it. You have extra stickers in case you guys need some. I feel like every time they put different stickers, I never use their stickers. I forget they are there. And there you go. So get yours. I'm gonna have a link down below so you can get a discount. You get a discount, I get points, so that whenever I buy something else from them, which is usually just planners, I use the points so that it's a little bit cheaper. I think I had 1,000 points this time, so it was like $10 off. $10 is $10, you guys. So if you want to help your girl out and if you need your planner, use that link. And yeah, so I never get the fancy stuff. I get what I need and that's it. But you can get gold coil. I think they provide you with like 3 colors. And you can add pages, you can add the budget. They have like a budget system, you can probably add it. They have so many things, you guys, so many beautiful things that you guys can use. But I stick to just my planner. There you go. So I got free stickies. Okay guys, this is probably like a 10-minute video. Perfect, it's okay, maybe 5 minutes. It's okay guys, I just wanted to share with you guys my new planner, how I'm excited. I'm gonna see if my stickers fit. If not, there is some resizing to do, but that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.